So my name is Ben Tyan, and I'm the COO at Flytrex. Flytrex is the biggest home delivery with drones company in the United States. We do more deliveries, more home deliveries than any other company. Yeah. So we deliver to people's homes. So the clients are just you and me. You download the Flytrex app, and instead of using a DoorDash person or Uber Eats, you deliver by Flytrex. However, we also work with restaurants, and then we allow also people to order from the restaurants' apps or website, etc. But we deliver the food straight to people's homes, backyards, front lawns, etc. Normally, we focus on somewhere between 3 and 4 miles around the delivery station. In an average US suburb, and we focus on suburbs, that brings about 20 to 80,000 households. There's a lot of challenges. Yeah. First, when you do something innovative for the first time and you are the first to do that, there's a lot of challenges that you have to, nobody has dealt with them in the past, so you have to figure out how to do it. Operational, technological, marketing, sales, etc. Obviously, with drone delivery, there's a lot of regulations, but we're past that at this point. Regulation is not a challenge anymore. At this point, it's a matter of execution. We've been operating for quite some time. We've delivered to date over 140,000 drone deliveries in the United States. I'll give an example. In one of the stations where we operate, in Holly Springs, North Carolina, our penetration rate is over 70%. That means that 7 out of 10 houses have used the service. And 12 months later, we check how often they do that. About 45% of the people use it on a regular basis or have used it, which means retention basis 45%, numbers you don't see in the industry. So we're very happy with it. It's starting as a gimmick because people, who wouldn't want to get their food delivered from the skies? Right. But then it just works. It's fast. There's nothing can beat that. As I mentioned, we're operating in a few areas. We're operating in North Carolina and operating in the DFW area in Texas. And this year we're scaling. We're adding more stations. We're bringing in a new drone that's going to be able to carry a payload of somewhere between 8 and 9 pounds. The current one takes about 6.6 pounds. We've got a whole new capabilities, and we're very excited about that. And this year we're going to start scaling, and in 2026 even more than that, and it's very exciting. Wind, we can deliver in very high winds. We currently do not deliver in inclement weather if it's too crazy, but with the new drone we will deliver in the rain, with high winds. If there's a tornado outside, probably not, but I wouldn't think too many deliveries will take place if it's a tornado outside. But no, we've solved that as well.